Remember when the ship landed right here?
It feels so quiet now. Do you think anything got left behind?
Nah, they took everything with them.
Wait, what's that? That wasn't here before. That looks like it's from Krell's ship. We should tell Mom and Dad. Let's just figure out what it is first. Wait, is that something Krell's ship left behind? It's stuck on the water tower boat and it's leaking. No, wait, Tara, I'll just find it a safe place. I've got this handled. I still think we should ask someone.
It'll be fine, Emma. Trust me.
It's just a little device. What's the worst that could happen? Please don't say things like that.
Hi, you two. What did you get up to today?
Just exploring near the warehouse.
That warehouse field again? Just be careful out there.
I'm always careful, Dad. Okay. Somewhere safe, somewhere no one will find it. That's the plan. I'm not a little kid anymore. I can handle one small thing on my own. I don't need to ask this time. Maybe we could call Zex about it, just to be safe.
It's fine, Emma. I've got a plan.
Just come with me. I'll find it a hiding spot, and that's it. Fine, but I'm watching. We should hurry before Mom asks where we're going.
Town Square. I know a good spot.
The bottom of the tower. No one really looks down there.
Okay, let's be quick about it. Right here should work. Just hurry, Ethan. I don't think this is a good idea. It'll only take a second. Whoa, Wime! It's warm! That's new. Ethan, put it down! I'm trying that. Hold on. Okay, yeah. Easy, easy, easy. Just stay still. No, no, no! Where did it go? It's on the water tower. It's leaking. Ethan, what do we do now? What do we do now?
I don't know yet. We need to figure this out before more people notice.
Too late for that. This is getting bigger fast. We should tell Mom and Dad now.
I heard things have been hard. How are you holding up? I'm managing. Did you need something fixed? Let me know if you ever need help, honestly. I don't need anyone's pity, Kim. 3 more weeks. Maybe less. I need something. Anything.
What in the world is that? That doesn't look ordinary.
If that's worth something, wonder would try Dine. It could save the shop. I have to see it up close.
That's no ordinary light. That's the shop owner. He looks determined. One climb. That's all it takes. I can't let this chance go.
He's actually climbing up there.
Someone has to stop him.
You can't climb up there, Day. We need to get help.
There's no time, Emma.
Almost halfway. Just keep going.
Somebody call for help, quickly.
This is all because of me.
I just wanted to keep it safe. I never meant for this.
There it is. Why is the whole tower shaking? Whoa, okay, that's not safe. I need to back away. Okay, Ed. Okay, don't panic. Someone. Help!
He's stuck up there.
I have to do something.
I caused this. I have to fix it. Climbing up there won't fix it, Ethan. I don't know what else to do. I can't just stand here.
Ethan, what is going on?
Someone's stuck up there. That light is spreading. We need real help now.
This is my fault.
We don't know that yet.
Let's not jump to conclusions.
He's not stealing anything. His shop is about to close, Bad. He's desperate, not dishonest.
He's just trying to save it. Now everyone's worried about him instead. And it's still because of me.
I have to tell them. No more hiding it. Ethan, honey, what's wrong?
Mom, I need to tell you something. It's my fault. I found it and tried to handle it alone.
Thank you for telling us. Right now, let's focus on getting him down safely.
We'll figure out the rest later. First, let's get help.
I'm calling the town rescue line now.
We need a rescue crew at the water tower, right away. How long until you can get here?
The rescue crew is stuck across town, dealing with storm damage.
So no one's coming? I thought handling this alone would be brave. Maybe I just have to try. No, we are not doing that again.
Then what do we do?
Try calling Zex. Maybe they know what to do.
It's worth a shot.
Our technology wasn't built for Earth's gravity, but I can't climb that safely from here.
So you can't help this time. We're too far away to arrive in time. You'll need to find help closer to home.
Closer to home. There has to be someone. Someone who can actually climb that. Wait, I heard someone new helped get Mrs. Alvarez's cat off her roof last week.
Someone new?
Who?
There's a signal light on the town hall roof. Light it, and Webrunner comes.
Then let's light it. Okay, let's try it.
I'll go light it now.
What if the signal doesn't work in time?
Then we wait for it to work. Together.
It's okay to ask for help, Ethan. That's not giving up.
It just feels hard. His grip is slipping!
Where's that signal light? Hold on. Just hold on. I can't hold much longer.
Someone has to reach him soon.
I know.
I can't fix this by myself. Not this time. We'll figure this out together. Thanks, Emma.
I know my limit. I can't climb that tower. But I can ask for the right help.
There! Mr. Kim lit it! Now we wait. Come on. He'll come. He'll come. I know it.
I saw the signal. What's happening?
Someone's stuck on the water tower.
Tell me quickly, Ha, what's up there with him?
A device. It's minety. It's leaking and I can't fix it.
I should have trusted someone else to help from the start.
You're asking now. That's what matters. Being brave isn't about doing it alone. Let's get him down.
Okay.
Almost there. Steady now. Careful now, I've got you. Thank you.
I really thought I was stuck up here.
Not anymore. Everyone has a limit, Bade. You just found yours. There. Safe now. That should hold until it's returned properly.
They're almost down.
Come on, come on! You made it! Thanks to him.
I didn't trust anyone with the truth. I'm sorry, everyone. You don't have to apologize to us. Next time, trust us enough to ask. We're neighbors. I will. I promise.
Let's fix this shop together, starting tonight.
I don't know what to say.
Thank you.
Really, really. That's what neighbors are for.
Real bravery is knowing your limits and calling in the right help.
I'll remember that. My kite's stuck again.
That was brave, asking for help instead sane. Earlier today, I mean.
Dad, can you help me get the kite down? Let's get it together.
Now that's knowing your limit. Let's go.